for the battery testing. As you can see, all the battery will be tested and will go through very extreme test process. And to make sure every battery up to the security standard.
So I'm guessing for those extreme tests, that's what these big boxes are for, right?
Yeah. The super box is providing the extreme temperature from -40 degree to 85 degree. So I will open one of them to feel the temperature.
Okay, let's open it. This is actually pretty cool.
Freezing.
This is kind of nice. I like this. And they're testing batteries in the top shelf there. It's great.
I can't bear it.
Let's try this one. Take a look. This
So
is
hot.
I'm not a big fan of this.
Yeah.
We're gonna put this back. So this is where we do our second round of battery testing.
Yes, as I mentioned before, actually besides the extreme temperature, we also test the battery durability and performance under very extreme physical pressures, like crashing and short circuit test.
Okay, that's amazing. So that just makes sure that when you're charging really, really quickly, everything is very safe, right?
Yes, absolutely. All the battery tests, including the ones for performance and durability, all require multiple rounds of testing. The safety must be assured while balancing the optimum charging speed.
So you mentioned charging speeds, because Mi 11 Ultra actually has 67-watt wired and wireless charging. How does this?
When charging and discharging, the battery is under higher current rate. In order to ensure the security during the tests, we impose the highest standards and test these units strictly.
That's actually very good to hear. That's reassuring.
Yeah.
So it's safe. Cool. Right on. Let's move on.
Okay.